right, give the amplitude and period of the function y equals 2 times the cosine of pi over 2 times x, or pi divided by 2 times x. So here we go. Our amplitude, again, is the absolute value of a, which for us is 2, so our amplitude is 2. The period is going to be the original period, and we're given pi, so we should probably use radians here. So 2 pi over b. For us, our b value is this whole thing, so pi over 2. And that's a little bit complicated. We don't like to divide by fractions, so let's change that. So 2 pi times the reciprocal, so times pi over, or sorry, 2 over pi now. So instead of dividing by pi over 2, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal, which gives us, well, pi divided by pi, that's 1, and 2 times 2 is 4. So our new period is 4. All right, let's go ahead and graph this. So our new maximum and minimum, instead of being 1 like it was before, now it's up to 2 and down to negative 2. And where one complete period would have happened at 2 pi, now it's completed at 4. So we're going to cut that into fourths to find our key point. So half that would be 2, and half of that would be 1. And this one here being 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Our 4 quarter turns around the unit circle. On the other side, we got negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and negative 4. Again, we've changed our x values on the values on the x-axis. We've kind of stretched it out to make it fit so we can graph it more accurately. And here we go. So cosine of 0 radians, well, times pi over 2 is still 0. What is cosine of 0? Well, cosine of 0 is 1. Now 1 times 2 gives us 2, and that hopefully should make some sense to us where cosine starts at its maximum. Quarter turn around the circle, we're at a 0. Halfway around the circle, we're at our minimum. 3/4 around the circle, we are back at 0. And 4/4, one complete turn around the unit circle, and we're back where we started, 1 full period. And that should make sense since our period is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 back, that completed period. Going the other way, we go down to 0, down to our minimum, 0, and maximum. So 2 completed periods we've graphed now. Not very neatly, but you get the idea here. All right, hope that helps.